This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Marcus Anderson. Rare opportunity to purchase a ranch-style new construction. Tucked on a quiet street, this home is just minutes to NNSY, downtown, and highway access. This home boasts an open floor plan west/laminate wood floors, recessed lighting, and updated light fixtures. Kitchen includes granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Tiled-in shower/bath in both bathrooms west/updated fixtures and tile floors. Standard wood fence in the backyard with smaller wood picket along the front. This home will not last. For more information, review the details below.